Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. Again, I don't know how I'm gonna edit and post these videos. I'm watching Bellarke Scenes because we have a gap between episodes for the end of this season 7. Because of the fact that yes, I love Bellarke, still now I can't help myself but shipping them, even if I know that it's never gonna happen. I don't have any hope for that, but because of that gap between episodes, I still want to film and to post you something about the 100, and I thought, why not Bellarke Scenes, you know, because of the fact that someone made videos, thank you for that, about all of the Bellarke Scenes of season 1, 3, 4 and 5. If you want to see the whole video, I'm gonna put the link, you know, for that into the description. Me, I'm just gonna take, you know, some scenes of these videos because I'm respecting the work of that person and I don't want to steal to that person, you know, all of this wonderful work that he or she made. So I'm watching these Bellarke Scenes because of the fact that I know that Bellarke is not gonna happen, but I want to remind the good time when I thought that it was gonna happen, when they were making scenes, lines, moments, looks, all of that, angles of camera and all to show us that relationship, which was not a platonic relationship, which was not just a friendship. Now they are insisting on the fact that it's just platonic, it's just best friends. Sure, really sure, you wrote all of these scenes that I saw, you know, I already watched the Bellarke Scenes of season 1, 3, 4. Really, it was just platonic scenes. I was not enjoying myself, I was not feeling love, I was not excited by these scenes. Platonic, really, it was all platonic, the way of filming it, the way of writing it, only platonic. I'm watching it even if I know that Bellarke is not gonna happen because of the fact that I'm not excited by this last season, this final season. I think that I'm never gonna be excited about it and I want to remind myself how great this show was through these Bellarke Scenes. I want to remind myself how their relationship was amazing and I want to make that experience, you know, that test. Me watching Bellarke Scenes, trying to feel nothing, trying to not be excited about it, trying to really see it with Jason's eyes, you know, like a friendship, best friends. That was a total failure. Let's say it for the 3 other videos that I watched. Maybe during this one I'm gonna succeed because this is season 5, so it's after the time jump, so we are really at the beginning of the end for me, for the show. This fucking season 5, in my head I'm never naming it season 5, I'm always naming it fucking season 5, you know, it's coming together now into my head. I hated that season. Not only because of the fact that Bellamy was with Iko, come on, I'm not that simple, you know, but really because of the fact that it was the same story, repeating again and again, the good guy, bad guys, the we have this planet, no, we have it, no, it's us, the destroying that planet. It was just a repetition of what we already saw, I mean for the story, for the characters, except for Octavia, we had no development for the characters, they didn't explain what happened during the time jump, if it's not for Octavia, and a little for Clark, but it was really just, we made development for the characters, off screen, that's it, that's done for the season, we don't have anything to do for them for the season. No. So really, the story, the characters, the messages, they were so wrong during this season 5, I hated it. But we had some Bellarke scenes, so I'm gonna watch them now. I'm gonna try to watch it with Jason's eyes, because that was the moment when they began to give up on Bellarke, on this relationship. They began to say that Bellarke was not happening, was not canon, was never gonna be canon, because it was a platonic relationship since the beginning. That was the beginning of this music, you know, that they were saying to the fans. Even during this season 5, they made Bellarke scenes, really, with characters looking at each other like that, with that kind of lines, with them being protective with each other, with them being jealous, with them looking at each other like that. Everything was a trap. Did I fall into this trap even during the season 5? Yes. Really? Yes. Don't bother to ask me the question. Even during this season 7, I managed to fall into the trap during the last episode. That scene between Clarke and Bellamy, they were arguing, they were saying wrong stuff to each other, they were almost giving up on each other, and me, I was only focused on the fact that they were crying and that they were having emotion, that they care about each other, really. I want to slap my face, you know, when I'm seeing myself falling into that ridiculous trap so easily, so quickly. You don't have to push me to ship them. You don't have to push me to hang up, you know, on everything, on anything that I can to see that relationship, to see how much they love each other. You don't have to push me, because you don't have to push them. They have feelings for each other, they love each other, and they are soulmates. And you can tell me any kind of fairy tale that you want, and you can tell me everything that you want. It won't change the fact that I'm shipping them and that I believe that they are true soulmates. Even if it's never gonna happen, even if they're gonna finish maybe with different people, even if maybe at the end they're gonna die. Again, for me, the end of the season 4, as it was edited during the last video that I saw, it was the real end of this show. What happened during season 5, 6, and what is happening right now during season 7, it's someone who wrote a fanfic without watching the show before. It's someone who really just took the characters, put new characters into it who were like him or like her, you know, and wrote new stories, adding these stories to the stories that we already had, even if they were unresolved. And ta-da! That's the fanfic of someone who doesn't like the show and who doesn't care about the show. That's how I'm feeling, and that's really how I'm watching the show now with the season 7. Really, during the season 6, they almost had me. I mean, they almost had me back, you know. I fell into some trap, and I appreciated a lot some things, and I felt things during the season. I think that I cried a lot of time. Again, you don't have to push me to cry in front of these characters, you know, when they are feeling things, I'm feeling them. But this season 7, when Bellamy was back, I felt stuff. During the 2 last episodes, I felt stuff. But before that, I don't know what this show is now. I don't know what I'm watching. I'm gonna stop talking right now, because this video about the Bellarke scenes is the longest, you know, it's 1 hour, so I need to stop talking and let's go!
This is the first time I feel alone.
And some of the fans were really like, yes, he's gonna hear, you know, during the MCAP situation, he's gonna hear all of the times that she called him. I love you.
But in case this is the last time I get to do this, I just want to say, please don't feel bad about leaving me here. You did what you had to do. I'm proud of you.
If you need forgiveness, I'm giving it to you. Can we have a moment like that during this final season?
Do you think they'll come back to you?
She's looking at the sky, he's looking at the earth. I can't. He was not thinking that maybe it was her. No. And they are not focused on him.
They die now or we die later. Clark was here, this wouldn't even be. Clark's not here. Exactly.
Clark didn't die for us to live, just so we can go back to the ground and make the same mistakes.
The fact that he refers to her for each decision.
Let's be good guys. I left Clark behind to die, and
All of these lines, fucking traps for us to continue to believe in it.
This is all over if you fail.
you already have. Everybody, under me. It's okay. It's okay.
We are already there?
Take her outside. Use the collar.
Yes, please, so we can have this wonderful scene. I know, I need to stop. Stop smiling. It's just platonic.
Melanie? Clark needed me come.
Clark's alive.
She's in trouble. We have to go.
He was so relieved. He was surprised and relieved. And we thought that it was the only good scene of the episode when this happened after that. I don't care. Be tortured, my dear. The next scene is gonna be awesome.
We're moving back. That's the plan. I won't let anything happen to Clark. I promise.
I won't let anything happen to Clark.
Lenore,
She was so...
reason not to kill you where you stand.
how about I give you 283?
283 lives. She must be pretty important to you.
She is.
Fucking writers! You wrote that fucking line! Ah, that was platonic. They are just best friends. Oh. That's gonna be a reunion between friends. Really. Best friends.
You're really here.
Clark, you saved us all.
Here.
Platonic, really, this angle of camera, this looks, this hug, how sweet they are.
We made a deal.
Platonic.
That's not all.
Jeez, they call me the cockroach.
Look at them! Like during season 4 and all of them.
Thank you for saving our lives.
Thank you, Raven. You were the one who remembered it. Look!
We're gonna stay safe.
They are so sweet with each other.
Some other turns out. We grabbed the doctor, killed the hostage taker and his girlfriend. Go home, find a cure.
You wrote that line! Fuck you!
There are pads on the rations. Here by the door. What do we do?
Baby, Murph, you're in trouble.
Work together, like always.
Gladiator pose. There's no wrong.
After you.
Friends. Really, they are not filmed together.
I can see why my mom was terrified, but he
How he looks at her.
It's impressive.
So surviving alone.
Well, I wasn't alone. I had Maddie.
Come on, she hesitated. She wanted to say that she called you
I'm serious, Bellamy. The heart and the head.
It was a fucking bait for us. They know that the Bellark fans loved that idea. They never said it before. No. That Beko reunion was not filmed only to be a shock for Clark. Again, just a scene to show how much they love each other and nothing about Clark and her feelings. Nothing.
Unleashing an invasive species in the last arable land on Earth is a monumentally bad idea.
Monty, I miss you.
We drive across the wasteland and break out our people before one crew attacks with worms.
Octavia will expect us to do something like that.
I didn't remember that they worked together like that. I mean, so much.
Sure of an unconditional surrender? Nothing. Octavia will never surrender.
I never paid attention. She had the same than me.
Algie,
Monty.
Cooper already gave me permission to show what I can do. She's meeting me before the afternoon meal so I can take her to the...
We're so right, Monty, all along this season.
We're already murderers?
It's not fair. We were talking about taking one life to save hundreds.
Really? Let's go, Octavia. Didn't think so.
I loved you so much, Monty.
We're doing the right thing.
If Monty would have been there, none of this nonsense on Sanctum and all would have happened.
You're a good brother, Bellamy. I'm sorry that I thought
Always trying to reassure themselves,
The truth is,
forgive each other.
if she was anybody else, I would beat you to it.
maybe the old Bellamy, but not this one.
She knows all of the versions of you, not like someone else.
Keep that safe. Promise me.
I promise.
Aww.
Let him in.
Get some
You know what I'm thinking.
right.
Which line is gonna kill us?
I can't let you kill Clark. Oh,
Here we go again. Pleading for the life of a traitor who you love.
That line, that reaction, that face, really platonic. Only platonic.
he's ready to burn this place down.
But that scene,
What did you do?
it was the beginning
Once it's
of...
out to you. Once one crew surrenders, I'm coming to get you out. We'll head back to Shallow Valley. Together.
Together.
You're seeing me with this together since...
Now unchain me so we get the hell out of here before we all get executed for treason.
I'm sorry. This is happening.
Bellamy. You said that you protect her.
This is where and when the pain began. I mean, for their relationship, for the show, it began at the beginning of this season 5.
Bellamy, if I do this, she'll never forgive you. Just wait.
This is how we saved that valley. Your home and my friends.
But see, that's the proof that before the season 7, when he believed in something, he was ready to hurt his friends and family. Not to kill them, but to help them, so he can come back.
You said you'd never done this before.
I don't have hope for Bellark, but I have hope for Bellamy's life. I can't.
I need to get it out.
Hurts each time. Oh.
Kaya, Indra, and Bellamy will die.
They made their choice.
You said no! That pig is not
I'm gonna be like that during the end of this Bellark scenes. Until this final scene.
We should have something to use as leverage so she doesn't attack. It's how Bellamy saved you the moment he got back to the ground and got the bunker open.
She's a Bellarker since the beginning, man. Come on. because Clark told her all of this story about Bellamy. So she knows the feelings that she has for Bellamy. And the two of them facing each other like that, talking about Bellamy. Same, really same. We were already supposed to love her with her saying that kind of stuff to Clark.
Now you care about Bellamy.
Shut up.
I always cared. Don't worry. If you still
I have the impression to relive it. Even if this is Bellar's scenes and this is nothing like platonic people just talking about their friendship, that's just painful.
go save him.
She's not saying go and protect her. She's saying go save him. Okay. New amazing Bellar scenes.
First we save their lives, then we let them prove they deserve it. Bellamy.
He didn't choose to kill. Maddie is a true Bellar fan. That's the proof.
Do you have any idea how much she cares about you?
So much she left me to die in a fighting pit.
I shouldn't tell you this, but when you were on the ring, she called you on the radio every day for 6 years.
You know how much she loves you.
Lottie, do you read me?
They both understood it during that moment.
Bellamy, we have to go!
Clark, you do what you have to. I am not leaving my friends. I can't do that again.
These looks meant nothing and they were really just telling I left you behind, friend. They were feeling pain because they didn't want to give up on each other.
How's Murphy?
This little smile.
What if he didn't need the drug? I don't know much about cryo sleep, but at least it will keep him alive.
We were all expecting that they were gonna talk about their feelings.
You're not mad at me for leaving you in Polis?
Commander ordered me not to be.
I'll meet you on the bridge.
Right, just friends. These looks, this hesitation that he had. Are you ready for the sweetest hey?
Hey.
That's the way Mom and Dad wanted it.
That final scene
Can I just say,
broke us all.
get dressed and come to the bridge. Dad left.
I think that I never watched it again entirely because I couldn't, you know. For you, I'm doing it.
Hey guys, it's been about a year since you all went to bed. It's a little lonely sometimes without the rest of you, but the peace and quiet is what Harper. Hey man, today's the 2-year anniversary of the long nap.
Surprise! We picked a name today. Boy or girl? Jordan.
I think Jasper would like that. Anyway,
Jasper Jordan. It's okay.
Jordan, Jasper, Greg. That's all for now. I can't wait to see your faces.
Things don't go as planned.
He's a happy kid. I took a page from Clark's parenting book. He knows all about you guys. Murphy's his favorite.
It was Mummy's.
Like for Maddie.
It's been a long time since we recorded one of these. We just put Jordan in cryo.
I never watched it again, you have to believe me.
We chose this life.
I knew that I was not gonna deal with it well.
We love you so much. Did you follow my instructions? You've been asleep for over 28 years. And it's as dead as the day we left.
Do you think that they can come back to us at the end of the season 7?
Take care of our boy.
mother died today. She was pretty sick the last few years. We had a good life. Sometimes I know she wanted to be with you guys. It took me 30 years, but I finally cracked the Allegiance 3 mission file without Harper. Anyway.
The fact that you just do not see it.
That's all I know. Can you see it? Is it beautiful? It isn't, Ledger. I hope we do better there. I hope Jasper was wrong.
We didn't!
Make a good guess. Maybe we meet again.
Can we? I mean, I want a flashback, a Titanic flashback moment scene. That was a wonderful Bellark scene, and I cried, and I'm like that right now. But it's really not because of the Bellark scenes of this season. It's really just because of that end. Believe me, I never watched entirely since it happened. I watched some part of it, but never entirely, because I couldn't. Really, my heart, I couldn't. So, of course, I was gonna be broken again. Oh yeah, my mascara. Of course, I was gonna die again watching it. But really, season 4, their relationship was strong like that, was the strongest time jump, and we have that. I didn't remember that during the first half of the season, they tried to work together like that, like they were really trying, and it really ended with that betrayal, you know, with Maddie becoming the commander. For me, it was really just Maddie becoming the commander and the two of them being like that against each other, letting each other to die, being so mad at each other, and at the end, Maddie being the Bellark fan of the show and reconciliate them to have that wonderful scene at the end. I remembered that it happened sooner. In fact, no, we had a lot of moments with she must be pretty important to you, the hostage taker and his girlfriend, the traitor who you love. All of these lines, all of these moments, all of these looks, all of these hugs. But no, that was platonic. They really wrote these moments and these lines, and they really filmed these moments and these looks and chose these angles of camera, these musics, these epic musics and all, just because of the fact that they are best friends. And really the Beko moments that we had during the season 5 were only filmed to show us how much they love each other. They were really not looking at Clarke during these moments to see her reactions. Really, Jaden, sure. This is just platonic. Sure. Watching these Bellark scenes, you know, of season 1, 3, 4 and 5, that was great, but that was a torture. But it was also great, you know, to think about how great this show was written, done, filmed, played, before the nonsense which came with Sanctum and all, you know, and beginning with this season 5. I'm sorry, but it began during this season 5, and their relationship is great since the beginning. That was a true, beautiful relationship, a slow burn love relationship. Even during this season, because of the fact that the Beko scenes were made only to provoke reactions for the fans, you know, the first scene in the first episode, it was made to be a shock for the fans, and the other ones for Clark to see her reactions. But after that, after the end of the season 5, they really decided that no, they were just friends. And all of that was only platonic. That we were stupid to think the contrary. You were stupid to write all of this during all of these seasons to do nothing at the end with it. You were stupid to put all of these lines, looks, all of these moments to do nothing with it at the end. You were stupid to waste time on screen to create a relationship for nothing. You were that stupid, not us. Okay, so I think that it's all for the Bellarke scenes because the person who made these videos didn't make any for the season 6. I'm gonna search if I found, you know, a sum up of the Bellarke scenes for season 6, not for season 2, I gave up on that, but for season 6. If it's the case, you're gonna see me again in another video or just after that. Again, I don't know how I'm gonna edit and publish these videos. If not, I will see you for the next episodes of The 100 for the season 7. See how much I care about the stories of this season 7. When I was so involved, my emotions were so involved during all of these ones. That's why, you know, some of you are telling me that I'm too rough on my reactions and thoughts about the season 7, that I'm too difficult to please, you know, that it's not that bad and all. See how much I can be involved into the show, how much I loved this show. That's why I can't like what is happening on the season 7, because I loved the show so much before for the quality of it, of how it was written, and for the fact that I was so involved into it. My emotions, they managed to have my emotions so involved into their show. But now, the season 7, the stories, the characters, it's so lame. I mean, for them, you know, to do that for the final season of that wonderful show that it was. It's sad, you know, to finish a story that you had with a show like that. But it's like that. Okay, so it's all for me for today, I think. And it's maybe all for you for today also. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.